So hello, and thank you for attending to this last activity of the Uncloud conference today. I think it's the last one for today. And well, we're going to do something a bit different. It's not a workshop, it's not a talk, but it's a quiz related to Ancloud. It's a kind of educational activity trying to summarize what it has been this Oncloud conference and how much do you know about the product. It's not only about the server, but also all the ecosystem, the environment that Ancloud has. So for doing that, we are going to play with an application called Kahoot. Can you see it there? And we have two ways for playing this quiz. One is downloading the app from the App Store, the Google Store, or and then you have to download it. It is called also Kahoot, and you choose the option Socialize, that it has a green button, and you have to put your age, and you will join later with a number that will appear on the screen. That's one of the options. Please, if it is possible, you can use your own 4G connection of your mobile, because it will make it faster. The other option that you have is to use your laptop and type in kahoot.it. You can join also to this quiz later. Hopefully we won't have network issues and everything will go fine. And well, that's all. Related to the quiz, it is related, as I mentioned before, to the Uncloud applications and all this software. And if you choose the right option, if you choose the wrong option, you will get 0 points. But if you choose the right option, it depends how fast you have answered. So the faster you answer, the more points you will get. A pin. A pin, yeah. A pin, yeah, you have to. I will show you later. Yes. And as I said, the faster you answer, the more points to get. And if you fail, you get 0 points. And we will see the stats and during we are playing after each question. So let's start. As said, you can join with the app or with your browser. This is the code you have to put into your app. Hello, you all. Are waiting 30 seconds more. Someone here, hello. Well, beware, because I'm able to kick you out of the room. Eh? No, I won't kick no one out. There are some questions that are mainstream, very easy, others are more difficult, but well. So we are going to start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this is 20 questions related to Uncloud. The easy one. What is the name given to the new Oncloud frontend project? Yes, so is Phoenix. That's it. Many people choose the right option. The Phoenix is the name of this project. Today we have had a lot of talks related to this modern new web interface that focus in usability and extensibility. Well, let's go with the second one. Little Smurf is the first one. Okay. Which of these authentication methods is supported by the Android and the iOS Ancloud mobile apps? Eight seconds left. So the right answer is all of them. Yes, during this last year, OAuth 2 has been added to the mobile apps. So right now, all these authentication methods are available. So the last one to be added was the OAuth 1. So we are keep talking about OAuth. Which is the first desktop client version that included OAuth authentication support? Yes, that's the right answer. 2.4.0. If you want to use this authentication method, you should upgrade to this, at least to this desktop client version. Just to take, it will, if you don't and you want to use it, it will appear a warning. But if you already know, much better. So, next question. Hello, Merkel. Who can see collaborative tags? Tic-tac. No, the answer is all users. Yes, when you create a tag, it is available for all the users. But we can change this behavior with an enterprise app that is called Collaborative Tags Management that let us modify this behavior. So, which of the following words isn't an option for marking a tag with collaborative tag management? The wrong one. Don't cheat. It's educational, don't fight with each other. Yes, that's it. The other ones are true. For example, visible, restricted, and invisible. Invisible, for example, it makes visible only for the Uncloud admins. So let's switch to the next one. Highest PHP version supported in Uncloud 10.0.10 that was released during this conference. Yes, that's it. PHP 7.2. Because Uncloud, this latest Uncloud version, has officially PHP 7.2 support. But we also have started with the preparation for the PHP 7.3 support. This PHP 7.3 version is expected for the end of this year, and it is already ongoing, this preparation. But just take care, if you are already running PHP 5.6 or PHP 7.0, please plan an upgrade to 7.0 as soon as possible. So, Tomic is the first one, and next question. Which of the following items related to sharing 3.0 are already implemented in Oncloud 10.0.10? It was even implemented in the previous version. So if you have installed Oncloud 10.0.9, you have already seen it. Yes, spending shares. We have talked about it in the first day. The first day, Vincent Petrie and Patrick Meyer, in his talk, they talk about this sharing 3.0. Anyway, the other ones will be, we are working on them and will be probably also available. That's something in the roadmap. So, getting drunk is the first one. Which is the class used by the iOS app for communicating with the Oncloud server? This one's pending to answer. Oh, cool. I thought it was going to be a slaughter, but it's pretty cool, yes. And well, let's move to a less technical question. Number subway line that you should take for traveling to Huff and Huff to the Oncloud office. Beware, beware, beware. Oh my God, it was the easy. I thought it was going to be the easy one. Can't believe it. When I was making the questions, I thought, I think many people also click on the green because it was red, but well, okay, it's the red line. Let's move to Ancloud again. Which app should be able to get the feature shown in the screenshot? Can you see it? Yeah. It's a cool feature. At least for me, I think it's cool. And yes, it's Impersonate app. This Impersonate app is an app that allows administrators to become a different user, and I think it's very helpful for the administration of the cloud. Oh, supilame. Option: exclude groups for sharing. In the administration settings sharing section applies to. You have to read fast. No. The right answer is members of at least one of the excluded groups since the version 10.0.9. We have decided to make this option more restrictive because at first there was maybe people that didn't distinguish the right behavior of the app, and we decided to make it more restrictive. So, next question. HD. What's the name of the web app library recently included in the Uncloud Android library? And the answer is Tab for Android. If you want to know more about this library, you can ask to the Bitfire guys that are attending to the conference, or you can also ask, for example, to our, you have answer right, okay, no? I was our Android developer. So let's move to the next question. Masupilam is on the head again. Latest continuous integration tool added to the Ancloud core repository. Yes, it's Drone CI. It's an open source continuous delivery platform. Very cool, very powerful. Yesterday there was a talk that it was held by Patrick Jans, where he gave us his experience of adding this tool to the Uncloud repository and the goals that he achieved. So let's move to the next question. Which is the default login level of oncloud.log? The default login level. And the answer is warn. So many people thought it was info, but no, it is warn. I also thought it was info when I was making the questions. Well, but Oncloud also offers an enterprise app called Auditing that puts sample auditing application for Ancloud, adds the login of user and the administration actions to the Ancloud log, and with this mechanism they make it more traceable and more editable. It's because with Uncloud.log we only have more or less a system log. With auditing we have much more information of all these admin and user actions. So by default, the auditing log messages have the log level. Tick tag is not repeated. You have to listen. Yes, it's info. Yeah. So Rukulin is the first. Which of the OCC commands for removing all deleted files of users on backend database? No. It's trust bin cleanup. Well, the other option, trust bin expire, also exists, but it only deletes the expired files according to the config PHP setting. So it only deletes the expired files. But the right one is trust bin cleanup. Let's move to the next question. Getting the rank is the first again. Question 17. Who can access to a file shared by a private link? And the answer is both users, the one that who says and the one that receives Okay. Private links feature is a handy way of creating a permanent link for yourself and for making accessing a file or a folder with a share much more efficient. It's also the first day in the overview talk. Patrick Meyer explained it a bit more and what it was related. So there's only it was 20 questions. We are going for the question 18. And getting drunk is first, Rukulin, Marsupilami, HD, and someone here. OCC command files scan is used for oh, the right answer is repairing files because files scan command scans the file system for looking for changes and updates. But with the option repair option, the command will repair the detached file cache entries. So it is able to repair the file cache. Next question. Getting drag ahead and which PHP parameter let us split Uncloud.log in different log files? Very useful if you want to get your Uncloud.log pollute. Oh, log conditions. Log split was very obvious, obviously obvious. No, no log split. You can use this parameter. This available in the config PHP file. There's in the config PHP file sample. It is indicated how you can define it using for example, if you want to have the text editor app logs in another place, and it will create another file. So getting drunk is the first. Question 20 of 20. How many apps are available currently in the Ancloud market? Between which one of these options? Bit 71, exactly. That's the right answer. And that was the last question. I hope the following year we will be able, all the people that have evolved here, to make that the right answer will be over 90 apps. Hopefully, it will be. It's a huge improvement that we have done, but hopefully next year the answer number 4 will be the right one. So the podium is getting drunk. Woo! Who's getting drunk? Who's getting drunk? Who is? Is not here? You! Ah! Come here. Come here. Okay, come here, yeah? And the second one is HD. Who is HD? Okay, come here. You too, please come here. Come here. At the beginning, I said it was an educational.
That's so great questions. They were so difficult.
Okay, it was educational, but you cheated completely. You knew the answer? Well, who is Rukulin? Yeah? That guy, he doesn't know the answers. So come here. Come here. So this is It's incompletely difficult. So for this sweet moment, this is for you, Holga, and this is for you, Pablo. You have to get a bit fat because I have to beat you running. So it's up to you. So thank you for much for participating. And that's all. Thank you.